What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Big B, with Jenkins in the Kitchen. I'm alone because my wife is recording me, so she's in the kitchen too, so it goes down. So what we have today is, we have this red potato right here. Red potato tastes wonderful, but I saw a different color potato today. A different color sweet potato today, and it's a purple sweet potato. Look at the purple coloring, y'all. I've never ever had a purple potato, but when we finish cooking these, I'm gonna do a taste test. So it'll be my first time ever trying a purple sweet potato, and it's going down. You heard it from me, your boy Big B with Jenkins in the Kitchen. Stay tuned.
Today we're cooking purple sweet potatoes. So the benefit of these is that they are loaded with nutrients, and don't get freaked out by the purpley color because that's just a good nutrients for your body and for your gut. They're actually really, really good for your gut health. So the only Big B already chopped these guys up because he had a lot of muscle. That's what those are for. So I'm gonna take these, we're gonna put them in a bowl. Today I'm doing a couple of sides using sheet pan cooking. So if you notice, you will rarely ever see me standing over a bunch of pots stirring stuff to cook. So the benefit of sheet pan cooking is all you have to do is take like 10 minutes. We're gonna toss these with some oil and some seasoning and a little bit of garlic. Throw it in the sheet pan, and then we can go do other things while it's cooking. Now that I got my potatoes in the bowl, I'm going to toss them in a little bit of avocado oil. I love, and this is a really, really great healthy fat oil to cook with. I don't usually cook with olive oil because at certain temperatures it can turn toxic. So I cook with avocado oil and as well as ghee. They're great for high temperature cooking. And these are both two healthy fats. If you're still cooking with canola oil, I want you to go right home in the pantry, throw it out. Canola oil is the worst. So at least switch to olive oil, avocado. I get this from Costco. Get all my healthy oils from Costco. So you're able to get them in bulk and save some money. So sprinkling some olive oil, and then here's my favorite all-purpose seasoning, Louisa. I put this on everything. So it's organic, and it's nothing but, we talk about read the ingredients list, sea salt, garlic, turmeric, black pepper, and oregano. Everything organic, super clean, no fillers, no nothing. So I'm gonna toss these with some Louisa. And I'll add a little something special. Next, I'm going to add some smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is my jam. It's actually my secret ingredient for a lot of things. It gives the food like a really good smoky flavor, almost like bacon. I love sprinkling this on avocado, like with a little bit of salt. It gives food a really good smoky flavor. So I don't even use regular paprika anymore. Like, this is my jam. So I'm going to sprinkle this on here and see what it do. What it does.
What it do, baby? What it do? What it do.
And what are potatoes without some garlic? So I usually get my chopped garlic from the like the international section of the grocery store. We had chopped. I usually get crushed, so we had some chops. So I said, why not throw on top of the potatoes? So I'm gonna throw them in here. I'm gonna toss this all together and get it in my pan and get these in the oven. So toss everything together. This is why I love wearing gloves.
Is that gonna be enough? Those are some big potatoes.
Yes, it's gonna be enough. It smells really good.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna get these guys, see, super easy. I've been doing this for not even 5 minutes. So tossing everything up. Again, this is why I like to wear gloves. And getting them on my sheet pan. I prepped with some aluminum foil. This also makes for really easy cleanup. So the only dish I gotta worry about right now is this bowl.
Man, it smells good too.
It does smell really good. We got lots of garlic down here.
Eat a raw potato. No, I'm just playing.
Go ahead.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
So
yeah, buddy.
we're gonna get these on the pan and bake them for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Now I'm about to pop my potatoes in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. So sheet pan cooking. All we gotta do is strip this after we take it out. We don't have no cleanup. Now while these are baking, we can go do something else.
Yeah, buddy. Like again, I can't wait till these potatoes are ready. Man, I'm about to eat the whole pan. It goes down. It's with Jenkins in the kitchen.
Now we are making some roasted asparagus. I do not love steamed vegetables. I'm a texture person, they get a little mushy, so I like to roast my vegetables in the sheet pan. We're gonna toss these with some oil, some seasoning, throw them in the oven. They're gonna roast up and they're gonna get crunchy. Now, when you go to roast these, because these are gonna, I like to call these asparagus fries because they get crunchy like a fry. Make sure you cut off the stalks and make sure you get the skinny ones. Like these guys are gonna get really good and crispy. You don't want the ones that look like a tree trunk. So I've cut off the stalks on these. I'm gonna start by tossing them in our avocado oil. So this is what's gonna get them to roast up nice and crispy. Next, we're gonna toss these with my favorite all-purpose seasoning, adobo. This is Louisa adobo. So this isn't a spicy seasoning, it isn't a salty. It's like it has a really good, flavorful taste. And you don't have to worry about it overpowering your food. So give this a sprinkle. I want to toss this, and we're going to get it in the oven.
Yeah, buddy. That Louisa ain't playing no games with it. It tastes so good. Can't do it without the Louisa. Ain't that right, Louisa?
So now I've arranged my asparagus on the baking sheet. If you notice, I love to cook on my baking sheet. Invest in your baking sheet. I think this is like $25. Don't have them piled up on top of each other. You want them in one layer because if they're piled up, then they're not going to get crispy. So have these guys across, have these guys up here. We're gonna throw them in the oven at 425 and they're going to get crispy and crunchy. Like the whole tops are gonna be crunchy like a fry. And I don't even flip these. So you can throw these in the oven. We're gonna put them in there for 25 minutes and then go do something else.
Yeah, buddy. Crispy asparagus fries, y'all. Yeah, buddy. It's going down with Jenkins in the kitchen. Yeah, buddy, now it's time for the taste test with your boy Big B with Jenkins in the kitchen. So these are purple. You can't tell now because they're nice and brown. But before we cooked them, they were purple. So let me grab one of these. Purple sweet potatoes. My wife always corrects me to make sure that you guys know that they are sweet potatoes, but they're just purple. It goes down. It still looks purple. Yeah. Tastes damn good. It goes down. Purple sweet potatoes. You gotta try it at home. It goes down. Yeah, buddy, the asparagus fries are ready. Man, my wife has been making these fries for a long time. Asparagus fries, that is. They taste so good. They're crunchy. 9 times out of 10, they're crunchy. So let me see.
They're really crunchy.
Let me see. Grab a couple of these. Y'all hear the crunch? Crunch, 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 crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. Man, hold on. Let me get some more of these. Yeah, buddy. One more again. It's last set, best set. Perfect. It goes down. So all my guys who don't like vegetables, my people who don't like vegetables, this is the best way that you can get your veggies in. Because it's going to remind you of crunchy French fries. But it's vegetables, y'all. Let's get this. Let's do this. Let's try this. Eat your vegetables. You heard it from me, your boy Big B with Jenkins in the kitchen.